Hi crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I'm going to compare the limited edition versus the new colors from the Cloud9 metallic line from Lisa Horton. Now here I'm showing you first the limited edition, which I acquired first. It's a set of 3, they cannot be sold individually, and then these 3 can. These are part of the new collection of 10 that just came out from the same line, but not the limited edition portion, if that makes sense. So the reason I'm comparing is because I got the first 3, and it's kind of like a silver, gold, and a bronze, or a copper rather. And then there's 3 more from the new set of 10. And I wanted to do a side-by-side and kind of compare how they looked next to each other. So I have 3 panels of black cardstock that I am 3D embossing with these various different 3D embossing folders from All To New. I'll link everything in the video description box below. But I'm going direct pad to paper with the 2 to compare, basically the one from the limited edition and then the one from the new set of 10. So for example, the first one is called, I think something gold. I'll tell you in a minute when I see the cover, maybe. Anyway, I will link it below, but it's the original gold that came in the limited edition set, and the new one is called Fool's Gold. So I wanted to do a side-by-side to really be able to compare the different hues and see how they kind of compared and contrasted. Now this one's a little bit more orange, whereas the first gold looks a little bit more green, but they're really cool and I love the way they blend in with one another. Now this one, I'm doing the silver that came with the limited edition, and then the new one is called titanium. So you can see the first one is much brighter. This one is quite dark, so it's kind of hard to see, but once the light hits it, you can absolutely see it. It's almost this beautiful blue kind of gunmetal deep silver. It's really pretty. So very different than the first one. Now this one, the original one was called Copper Pot, and the second one, the new one, is called Bronze. So again, they're not the exact same color, but they were similar enough that I thought I wanted to see them side by side and really be able to compare in that way. So this new Bronze, again, is much darker. It doesn't show up quite as easily on the black, but it's definitely evident, especially in person when you turn it to the side. So do stick around. I'm going to show you here real quick. I'm just going to do little swipes on black and white so you can see what it looks like, and stick around to the end and I'll give you a little bit of a tip as well in terms of working with this stuff. So I'm going right across from the black to the white so you can see how it looks on both types of cardstock, and I do come in and I will label these as well. But I love the combination of these all together. I really want to use all these colors in one card. They're just so gorgeous. I'm very stoked. I didn't get these first 3 initially because I wasn't sure how different they were going to be, and I wasn't sure they were going to work on black, but I was mistaken. They're all part of the same line. They're just different colors. So if you want this variation, then you'll want to get the 3 new ones, which came out. There's a group of 10 of them. You can maybe find a set if they're in stock or buy them individually. And then the limited edition, you do have to buy all 3 together. So I will link everything in the video description box below if you expand and scroll down. Now here's your pro tip. Your adhesive eraser will work on smudges. So if you come outside where you want it on this technique, get out that adhesive eraser and it works a treat. So thank you so much for spending time with me. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.